Hi, I'm Julie Taggart, president of Taggart Realty Management. Taggart Realty Management is a family-owned business that has been shaping real estate in Eastern Ontario for more than 30 years. We have acquired, developed, and managed over 3 million square feet of commercial property, including shopping centers, office buildings, and multi-residential. My idea for how Ottawa can build back from the pandemic is to create communities where we can live, work, and play. We need to make sure that these communities appeal to a large demographic and have the right mix of residential, grocery, retail, and walk, bike, transit.
Let's welcome Julie live to the program right now. Hello, Julie.
Hi, how are you?
Great. I'm excited by this idea too. So, and you're the perfect person to speak about it, I think, Julie, because Taggart Group has been involved in literally building big parts of our city, and that continues on the commercial side, residential, retail. There is a sense that our communities are going to look different. Maybe that's because of remote work or various other factors. But you tell me, Julie, how do you think the pandemic is going to impact land development?
Well, I mean, we're lucky in Ottawa. I'll start off by saying that as a developer, we have a strong market. So, but I think moving forward, we have to be really creative and innovative and speak to our clients and customers, tenants, et cetera, to ensure that we're making changes in our development projects to accommodate the changes from the pandemic. For example, we pivoted pretty quickly to working from home. It happened sort of overnight. I don't think anybody sort of expected it, and I think most people have adapted. But as we've moved forward, how are we going to accommodate that in our developments? If we're building a single rental building, we need to accommodate for, is there going to be workspace within those units, the rental units, or are we going to create common spaces that those tenants can work from because their unit sizes are too small? We're going to be working in a hybrid model of working in the office and at home. So we need to really plan for making those accommodations and being creative. And I think it's also important that we create communities where we can, as I say, live, work, and play. I mean, people are probably going to be working closer to where they live, if not from home, and to be accessible to transit, so that we can be easily go downtown if part of our job is to go to the office. But it'd be nice to be able to be in your home environment and be able to walk to the grocery store and to walk to get a coffee. And you see that even more. We talked to a lot of our retail tenants, and they've noticed that the traffic is picked up during the daytime in the suburbs because people are at home. So, people are sort of going out during the day more in the suburbs than they would have, a year and a half ago pre-pandemic. So, I think we just have to be really mindful and creative as we move forward in creating these developments and, having all your space together so that you can live and stay within your community.
I like what you said there, Julie. When you were talking, I was thinking about the suburbs. I live in Orleans. So, the criticism of the suburbs has been over the years that they're bedroom communities, right? And that's exactly the opposite thing that you're talking about. You're saying potentially the Bar Havens, the Royal Canadas, or maybe even if you're in Stittsville or even a Merrickville or something like that, that maybe because of work from home, they can be a little bit more complete because people are going to the office sometimes, but working from home, is that at the core of your idea?
Yes. Yeah. Definitely. I mean, all the retailers who shied away from the suburbs. I mean, there's always the evening demand. Will suddenly think, oh, there is going to be a daytime traffic now because these people are working from home. So we can create these communities.